You're looking for a shower chair for your bathroom, studio, and more. Some assembly is required, and we're going to show you how to install and what it looks like. From the providers, any prime, and we're going to show you how this is packaged. Opening up the box, lifting up, it comes with a nice handle and everything is protected by foam as you can see inside. As we turn around and unpack, on top is your instruction guide how to install. The Teak product protected in foam sleeves. A close-up look at the wood, the teak, the legs, a soap dish, hardware screws and tool, the remaining bag removed. These are the product parts and how to install. With the chair base turned upside down, with one of the legs placed onto a corner, and two of the bolts slide through and start to screw down. With the Allen key lock into place, one leg. Rotate around to the opposite side and place on one leg. And repeat with the second bolt and lock down. With the bottom base correctly placed in, with the louvers matching and locked down. With all the bolts in, the rubber feet on the bottom, we now turn right side up a Teak shower seat. This is a soap dish to be put in the shower on the side or left on top. The bottom has areas to put your shampoos, your towels, your washable needs, and more, including the soap dish. It has side handles over here, little areas to put your wash towels and cloths. It measures 16 by 16 by 12. It's indoor, outdoor, studio, wherever you want to put your shower chair. It can be used as a garden chair as well. Your Teak shower chair, dressed up with a towel, soap dishes, and more. So if you're looking for a Teak shower chair for your bathroom needs, this may be something that you are looking for. It decorates the area and can hold up to 300 pounds. It is a chair for the shower. Enjoy your shower chair, and thank you for viewing.